my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so today I thought we would go thrifting. So you guys know that I love thrifting. I love decorating my home in the most budget affordable way possible. One of the ways I do that is by thrifting, and I love to clearance shop and just upcycle. You guys saw in my last video where I had purchased some books from Home Goods and they were red. I didn't like the color, so I upcycled them by painting the spine, or not the spine, because the spine is what I like. The front and the back of the book covers black, and those will be featured in an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But right now I am decorating my daughter's home. So for those of you who are new and may not know, my daughter moved into a new home and we have been slowly decorating room by room. We still have a long way to go. So we did her dining room, we did her family room, just a little bit. So we still have to do that. We also, recently I did a little bit of my granddaughter's room. Oh my gosh, she loved it. We still need to finish that. We still need to get curtains. Still need to get wall art. We still need to get wall art for the dining room, for the kitchen. I have an upcoming collaboration to finish off the family room, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss how that's going to turn out. But in today's video, like I said, I thought we would go thrifting because I need to pick up some things to decorate my grandson's room, as well as my youngest granddaughter's room, and some other things for my daughter's house. And what better way to furnish a home than by going thrifting? So that is what we are going to do today. So if you want to see what we're going to find, just make sure you keep watching. Yeah, stay till the end because I found some really good things and I think you're going to like it. So, all right, let's go ahead and go on to the thrift store. So I thought I would start off here in the wall art area. I am looking for some wall art for the dining room. I am looking for wall art for my granddaughter's room as well as my grandson's room. They had some really large canvas pieces, but not really anything that I could use.
Wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud.
In this section, I was looking for some items that I might be able to use for storage or for decorative decor. I thought this piece was really cute, possibly for my oldest granddaughter's room, but I wasn't sure that she would really like it, so I did leave that behind.
To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close, We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again.
Sadly, I am not finding a lot of things here, so off to our next Goodwill.
All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones.
Do you see the price on this vase? $14.99. You would pay that price at a regular store. What is going on, Goodwill?
I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. 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 Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here, never to touch it again? Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. 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 Baby, can we kill this butterfly?
There were quite a few people in this Goodwill, so it was really hard to shop and not try to get people in the frame. So I did what I could, but I think we did pretty good. So make sure you stay until the end because I have some goodies to share with you.
Tell me how I can make this easier. Yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get to her, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting.
Alright guys, so as you can see at the thrift store, there was not a lot, but I did find a few gems. I have been making sure that the items that I picked up from the Goodwill or the thrift store are things that we are actually going to use, and I'm not just picking them up because they caught my eye and they were really, really cheap. I think we did really, really good. So first we're going to start out, as I said in my last video, we were decorating my granddaughter's bedroom, and you saw where I hung some mirrored wall art with a gold trim. She has gold trim in that. She has gold trim in the legs of her side table. She has gold on her little desk. So we're using accents of gold. So when I ran across these, I thought these would be the perfect thing to use on either side of that wall art. And guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. So this is how it looks. It was $12.99. Can you see that? $12.99 from Goodwill. And guess what, guys? These are, hi. These are from Z Gallery, guys. So I found two of them. The only thing that they are missing is the little glass cloche. These are actually wall sconces, and you would put a candle in them, and we can still put, you know, faux candles on either side. We're not going to use real candles, so we don't really need those wall sconces, but I thought these were perfect. And for $12.99 a piece, you cannot beat that. Normally these are like $80 at Z Gallery, and I'll put up that photo here, but right now they're on sale for like a little less than $70, I think. So $12.99 versus $70. Yes, please and thank you. So I had to pick these up, and I think these will go perfect on either side of those decorative wall pieces that we hung in my granddaughter's room last week. So the other thing that I picked up is for my grandson's room. So my grandson, he's a gamer. He likes to game. So we're going to do his room in a gaming theme. And I was trying to find things that he would like. He's very, very particular. We call him Mr. President because he's so particular. And if he doesn't like something, he will let you know really quick that he doesn't like it. So I hope he likes this. And this item that I picked up is for his desk. And I'm just going to decorate it out, and we'll see how his reaction is. Hopefully he likes it. So anyway, here is the lamp that I picked up. And guys, I think this lamp is really, really nice. Look at it. Oh my gosh, and it's a perfect little side lamp or desk lamp for a little boy's room or even your own. So this was $9.99. And when I Googled this, this is selling something similar, is selling currently on eBay for $80. And we picked this up for just $10. And look, it has a little marble base. Oh my gosh, this is so, so cute. So I thought this would be perfect. So it'll be styled on his desk with his office supplies. Well, not really office supplies, things that he uses, you know, to color and to just draw in his room. So I thought that would be really, really neat. So I also want to go and get some other things to go on his desk. But guys, this lamp, oh my gosh, it's so, so nice for just $10. It's very, very heavy, so I could not leave it behind. Now the next thing that I picked up, you guys remember where we decorated my daughter's entryway a few videos ago, and I told you I wanted to get a lamp. So I have been on the hunt for a lamp, and I finally found one that I think she'll like, and it's this one. Look how big this lamp is. Oh my gosh, it's so, so nice. It did not come with a shade, and it was $14.99, a little pricey in my opinion for Goodwill, but look how large it is. And I have a white lampshade that I think would look really, really nice with this. So I went ahead and picked it up. So we will be styling with these pieces in my daughter's home when we next go visit. I want to say in about a week, you should see that video. Also, while I was out, I found some dinnerware that I thought would be really, really nice. I didn't get a lot of video footage of it, but what I did get I will put up here. I also found some mugs that were really, really nice that I went ahead and picked up. The plates were, I want to say they were $1.99 a piece. They have like a little scalloped edge with very in right now, and the mugs were just 99 cents a piece, and I thought they were perfect. And you know, with dishware you can sterilize them and they're good as new, so I went ahead and picked those up. I also found a little Space Man helmet lamp that I thought my little grandson might like, and I'll put up that photo here, but he did not like that. Let me tell you, he did not like that, so I had to leave that in the store. But yeah, so I have found, you know, not a lot, but a few things that I think I can use to turn my daughter's house into a home. So if you have enjoyed today's content and it has inspired you in your home decorating and you want to see how my daughter's home is going to turn out, again, her style is modern organic, whereas mine, I call mine budget luxury. So if you want to see how her home is going to turn out, we're going to be decorating room by room. So the next room is going to be my grandson's, my youngest granddaughter, and I have two twin granddaughters. I got you guys seen in my last video. They are so, so cute. Yeah, so we're just going to be decorating room by room. We still have her master bedroom, or master. Somebody got on me. It's like, Cheryl, it's not a master, it's a primary. Why do you keep calling it a master? I don't know. That's what it was when I grew up, so I call it a master. But anyway, we are going to be decorating her primary bedroom and bathroom. So if you're looking for inspiration, make sure you subscribe. And we're going to be coming back here to my home. We have to finish up the stairs. You see the little sneak peek back there. So I can't do the stairs when people are in the house because I have to paint the stairs and we can't go up and down the stairs. So I have to do it when my boyfriend's not at home. And so I will be, and I need to get some polyurethane to coat the stairs. So once I get that done, we'll go back to this project. I did get the little little pieces of rug to, you know, make the stairs more secure so I don't fall down them anymore. So those came in. I want to show you those as well, but not in this video. That will be in the upcoming video after I have decorated my grandchildren's room. And then we also need to go upstairs to the loft area to refresh it for spring. So I have lots of home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. So again, if you have enjoyed today's video content and it has inspired you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family, because I have lots of fun content coming up that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.